Hello, welcome back to SSIS course. Today in this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to create a data warehouse in the MS SQL Server Studio Management Studio. So let's begin to create a data warehouse DW in MS SQL Server Management Studio. So let's go to click Start button, then go to Microsoft SQL Server Tools 18, then click Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. After that, you are going to connect in a SQL Server. Okay, and from here you are going to open databases folder, and in here you are going to create a database. So that works as a DW, which stands for data warehouse. So click the right button, click a new database, write down retail DW, and in the owner you click three dot button, click browse button, choose system administrator and your desktop, then click OK, then click OK, then click OK. And here we are going to upload four files in the databases that we are going to work. So in order to upload the four files in the databases, so first we have to click retail DW, then click right button, then click task and click import data. Okay, so before we are uploading the data, I'm going to show you which data we are going to upload. So as you see, here is a folder which is named retail DW, and in this folder you are watching that four files, which is Excel files. So I'm going to upload these four files in our DW. So first I'm going to show you how to do that. So as you see is a data source. So data source is like from where we are going to get data. So we are going to choose first Microsoft Excel, then we browse like where it is now. So we choose desktop, then DW, then we first choose customers, then open, and in the Excel version you are going to choose 97 2003, because in other version is not going to work. So you must choose the 97 2003, then click next. Then you are going to where are you going to put this data. So you have to choose the software. So you are going to choose SQL Server Native Client 11, and choose your database name, which is retail DW, then click next, then click next, then click next, then click next, then finished. And as you see that 200 rows has been transferred from that Excel file to our database file. So again we are going to upload our three databases, three files here. So go to right button and click the right button and choose task and import data. Choose the destination data source, which is Microsoft Excel, and browse and choose your retail sites. And Excel version is 97 2003. Then click next, and your destination will be SQL Server Native Client 11, and your database will be retail DW. Then click next, click next, click next, then click next and finish. And there you go, there is some mistakes, I think. Though as you see here is the status is error, but the data has been already transferred, so don't worry about that. So click close and refresh your databases. Click tables and rename your tables. The first one was customer, and the second one is automatically the retail sites that we have uploaded. So in order to check whether the the table is working or not, you have to select the table, then click right button and choose select top 1000 rows, and you see there is a data in here, so the table is working. So okay, now we are going to upload third file. So choose task, then click import data. The data source is Microsoft Excel, and browse the file and check the cells, and the Excel version is 97 2003, and then click next. Then the destination will be SQL Server Native Client 11, and your database will be retail DW. Then click next, click next, click next, and then click next, then finish. And the 48 rows has been transferred successfully. And now we are going to upload the fourth database and fourth files, which is CSV files. So in the MS SQL Server Management Studio, it counts as a flat file. So we are going to show you how we are going to upload this one. So I'm going to show you how to upload this file. So click the right button of the retail DW, then click tasks, and then click import flat file, because the software counts CSV file as a flat file. So click flat file, then click the next button, and then click the browse button, and then choose desktop, and then MACs as you see, then open, and then click next, and then click next. And here you there is something you have to do. You must do these things, otherwise the file is not going to work. So as you see, there is a brand name Anvercher 50. You have to change this one Anvercher to max, then product category Anvercher 52 Anvercher Max, and retailer Anvercher 52 Anvercher Max, rating Anvercher 52 Anvercher Max, review count Anvercher Max, and the price is going to, it will be money, and MRP will be money, and product name will be Anvercher Max. So these things you must change these things, otherwise the file is not going to work. Remember that. So then click next, then click finish. So as you see that there is a data type is Anvercher with a limit 150. So everything will be Anvercher Max, otherwise it's not going to work. And as you see there, Anvercher Max, and the MRP and the price, these two columns have the data type will be money. So you must remember that. Then click next, and everything will be coming. So then click finish. So and you see that the data has been inserted successfully, and click close. And now we are going to rename our tables that we have imported. So first we are going to refresh. Okay, so this one is a sales, and this one is retail sites, and now we are going to check whether every table is working or not. So click the right button and choose select top 1000 rows. So our customer has a data, customer table has a data. Now sales table, and our sales table has a data. Now choose the Macy's table. So our Macy's table is data, and the retail sites, and our retail sites has a table, has a data too. So I think that's it for today, and thank you so much.